prime time. Svet, alebo svet zmení teba, to je dané. Keď robíš čo chceš dosť dlho a dobre, love prídu samé. Mám to odskúšané, uveril som v môj talent v roku 2002. Slavík za objel 2012, pán Boh zaplať. 10 rokov práce, tisíce hodín strávených veriac. Milión sekúnd pri hudbe každý mesiac. Ide o to, čo robíš, keď nikto ťa nevidí. Koľko do koreňov, toľko do koruny. Bez kríža nebolo by ani koruny. Máš svoj sen, musíš investovať všetko. Do posledného eura, do poslednej koruny. A niekto sedí v tieni, lebo niekto sadil strom už dávno predtým. A trpezlivo staral sa o neho, kým stal sa veľkým. Bol mu všetkým, takže bol občas niečím, ale to musí. Či sa ti to páči, má to postupnosť jak Fibonacci prime time. Toto je prime time. Mona Lisa rapu, len klavír a violončelo. Čekuj toto boj, malujem tak Michelangelo. A jedna sixtínskej kaplnke môj boží prst. Tento zvuk, moja voda, každý koncert krst. Puls môjho srdca hrá mi beat ak 808. Basu robí láska, na synťaku zahra hate. Autentické emócie, nikdy žiadny fake, žiadny šmejt. Chráni ľudí pred upírmi jak Blade. Muzika pre tých, čo radi myslia a cítia a idú hlbšie, nechcú ostať na povrchu. Nevždy muzika pre telky a rádia. Ideš do klubu, mozog musí ostať vonku. Vnútri oko búrky, no vidieš von a všade vojna zúri. My posielame pravdu o svete bez cenzúry. Keby som chcel iba zarobiť, použijem svoj MBA. Ja chcem predriblovať moje rímy až do rapovej NBA. Prime time. Toto je prime time. A je to viac len fine flow, dám to najlepšie zo mňa. To vždy, keď dávam live show, pokým oni pijú do dna. Krv pod slzy, potom rajsnou, chod za vlastnou vášňou, vlastnou komnatou, jak Jute, učím sa u majstrov. Není žiadny podobný, som prvý, posledný, s priemerom nej som spokojný, som pokorný, berem ten stres, tak moji môžu byť pokojní. Pozerám spätne, cítim lútosť, môj zámer je dôstojný. Život bez umenia, hlúposť, na čo je tvor, čo netvorí. Kto klope, tomu sa otvorí, jak hovorí múdra kniha. Inteligentný reper alias moja odisea. Rap moja profesia, zlatý rest, 1,6, moje mystérium. Žiadne kritérium, postavím impérium, postavím impérium, postavím impérium okolo môjho rímu ako Cezar. Chápeš? Rím s Y-om, Spirit za mikrofónom. Toto je najlepší čas môjho života, brácho. Album Y.
I read the rules before I broke them. I broke the chains before they choked me out. Now I pay close attention, really learned the code. I learned to read the map before I hit the road.
Hey yo, I know you never heard this before, but I'd rather lose a fight than miss the war. And I ain't wishing competition or fishing for it. I'm just living in a system, conditions are poor. I've been lost in the rhythm and misinformed. Too many late nights hitting the liquor store. Too many bad decisions, half-ass attempts. No sweat, no fear, no blood, no tears. I go hard, and I ain't making up no excuse. I'm overdue, I don't do what I'm supposed to do. Cause if you think about it, man, we supposed to lose. It ain't all picture perfect ocean views. Nope, I was a first-class rookie, taking out bullies in my all-black hoodie. Man, a mystery, you know the history. Get it or forget it, cause poof, I'm out of here.
I read the rules before I broke them. I broke the chains before they choked me out. And I paid close attention, really learned the code. I learned to read the map before
I've been high and I've been real low. I've been beaten and broken, but I healed though. So many ups and downs, roughed up and clown. We all got problems, but we deal though. I'm trying to do better now, find my inner peace, learn my art form and find my energy. When my back's on the wall, I don't freeze up. Now I find my inner strength and I re-up. Here we go. I know I never been the smartest or wisest, but I realize what it takes. Never dwell in the dark, cause the sun always rises, but gotta make it to the next day. It's a feeling that you get in your lungs when you run, but you're running out of air and your breath won't come, and you wheezing. Gotta keep it moving, find that extra and push your way through it.
I've had bad habits, but I dropped them.
Drop it.
I've had opponents, but I knocked them out. I've climbed the highest mountains, I've swum the coldest seas. There ain't a thing I face that's been too much for me.
Let me hear you say.
Nobody's gonna see me coming. Nobody's gonna hear a sound. No matter how hard they try it, nobody's gonna bring me down. Nobody's gonna see me coming. Nobody's gonna hear a sound. No matter how hard they try it, no stopping me since I found
My inner ninja, my inner ninja, my inner ninja, my inner ninja. I've had bad habits, but I dropped them. I dropped them. I've had opponents, but I knocked them out. I've climbed the highest mountains, I've swum the coldest seas. There ain't a thing I face that's been too much for me.
Man, that was dope!
Think?
What are you, like a third-degree black belt?
Actually, I'm not even in karate, but I'm fan.
My inner ninja.
Is this thing on? Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
Let me get a lighter,
that's how it's supposed to be.
Cause you know I'm high as fuck.
Living young and wild and free.
So what? I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Eat me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade
You know what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like a leaf, put the wheat in the
So what, we
J.
get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell 'em, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV, HD3. Hi, it's me. This is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live
So
on.
what, we get drunk.